channel. It's your boy Sammy. This video I'm going to be showing you 5 different stages in which the market move trending. Like we all know, when the market is moving up, it's actually going to be creating different kinds of moves. The first one we are lining is pullback, break of structure, omit my drain line, pullback, break of structure here, pullback, break of structure, pullback, break of structure. Now this particular pattern in which the market is moving is called trending. It's not giving us a good pullback, it's just moving. I'm going to be showing you in gold. Okay, this is the first one, and the second one is called the first one is trending, the second one is called pullback, where the market pullback and breaks structure, it comes back down. Here we can call this a liquidity sweep. If you do not understand what the market is doing, you might likely want to close your trade. Okay, you might likely want to close the trade thinking the market has actually broken structure and is about to trend to the downside. This is where most traders get confused and they want to close their trade because they feel why the market wants to reverse. Okay, from this, not knowing it was a liquidity sweep, but it was actually a pullback to take price to the upside. While we have the other one that is called ranging, where the market is ranging a particular phase before it breaks out. This also happens in the trend that traders feel the market is tired of moving up and might likely reverse, but the market does not do that. It continues up. While we have the next one that is called breakout, okay, where the market breaks out of a zone. It breaks out, retraces, and continues up to the upside. Most of these breakouts forms out a triangle and chart patterns, continuation chart patterns. Okay, while we have the next one, I'm going to be showing all of this, okay, on gold. While we have the next one where the market actually reverses down. Now this shows that the market is trending downward, but the initial trend is not bearish, but it's still bullish because it's going to be continuing back to the upside. Okay, like what GBP/JPY is doing now, it has actually created something like this. It has created something like this. It's a reversal, and it created a chart pattern here. Created another chart pattern here. We are expecting the market to break out and continue up. This was kind of like a reversal, okay, but some folks were selling here, but the money is here for us to target to the upside. Okay, now let's dive right into understanding what this is, and I'm also going to be showing you the analysis, my analysis on gold and what it's doing currently. Okay, now as you can see here, what we are having here is a break of structure in this market here. Let me see if I can zoom it out a bit. Okay, this market has actually broken structure here. We're expecting it to come back here, not to break below it, to come back here for us to continue the trend to the upside. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, and make this a little bit faster. So this gold, currently on gold, this is the daily time frame. This is what gold has actually been doing so far. You're going to be back testing this up to the current trend of what the market is doing. Okay, so we get a clear picture on it. Don't forget what we are aligning. Okay, we are checking out the market on this zone here, because this was the one that led to the break of structure. Break of structure, because we are trending up, we are expecting price to take the money that is resting here. Okay, that's what we're looking at. Let's see what happened. Price will confuse you, but don't panic. It will definitely come back to that zone, because this is a fair value gap that needs to be filled. Okay, we are there. As you can see, price immediately spiked up after reaching the zone here. After reaching the zone here, okay, immediately spiked up to the upside. Where is it targeting? The money that is up here, or here, or here. And don't forget that you may be wondering why did price move out this way. It has already taken out liquidity here, so it's bound to do the same thing. Okay, let's continue. So this is the pullback, and we can see that the price is continuing to the upside. Now let's see the next thing the price does for us. Like I said, once price have created this and you are with the trend, there's no need to panic. You just have to wait and see what else is going to be happening. Okay, you can see another pullback that happened there. As you can see, this was the last order block. This was the last order block here. So price did the same thing. The future money was here. It's a change of character here. So price came back down here. So we can see that we have two pullbacks. Let's continually see what the market is doing actually when it's trending. Okay, I think that's all. Oh, that's not all. Now this can be likely to be a pullback also because the price did not break below this here. Okay, it continued to the upside. Break structure. Okay. Please, if you're enjoying this video and getting any value from it, please ensure to like, subscribe, and hit the comment section below so you'll be the first to know whenever we drop a video like this. Now, this was what I was talking about. I was talking about trending, and I say a market that is trending is actually moving up. Now, let's identify what is trending here. What we can see is that this market was going up. It broke structure, it pulled back, it went up, came back down. The same thing without giving a clear pullback to the downside, showing that I think it happened again in the future. Let's see if we can identify it right to be clearer. Now this is what I was saying. Now this is where the panicking comes in. This is where the panicking comes in. That a lot of folks get confused. They get confused. Why? Because price has broken structure here. Price has broken structure here. So what's the need coming back down again? When they see a market coming back down here, they become scared because they're taking liquidity here. This is it. Okay. Now what happened? This liquidity was swept here. Okay. So it doesn't mean the market is reversing. It simply means that we are going up. Change of character, pull back down and went back up. But there's something I want to show you here. Whenever the market comes down to somewhere here, expecting it to do something like this, expecting it to come back somewhere here. Okay, which it did here for us to get an entry and continue going up. There's been a change of character, so it's bound to happen. As you can see, we have a money star here. Okay, so that's all the market does. Now let's understand what this concept is all about. The current trend of the market on gold. This is my concern here. This is my concern here, and this is my analysis on the market. This is a break of structure. Okay, this is a break of structure here. So I'm expecting the price to come down here before taking us up. Now let's see what gold has been doing lately. So I'm looking at this. Sorry. Okay, I'm looking at this. On gold, the price might likely give me an opportunity like this for me to get involved in the chart. So I'm seeing something here that's giving me interest. Okay. So what we can see here is that money is resting here. Money is resting up here, up here, up here. So we're expecting the price to pull back down and come to this other block here for us to continue going up. Why? This is a break of structure, and this is a fair value gap that was created by the market. So price is likely going to be coming back down here for give us an opportunity to take up. Okay, so that's all for now. Don't forget to like and leave a comment in your section below.